Asteroid mining and the trillion-dollar space economy. Introduction, from science fiction to strategic reality. For decades, asteroid mining lived comfortably in the realm of science fiction, fueling movies, novels, and futuristic dreams. Today, it is rapidly becoming a serious economic and technological ambition. With advances in robotics, artificial intelligence, reusable rockets, and deep space exploration, mining asteroids is no longer a wild fantasy. Instead, it stands at the heart of what many experts believe could become a trillion-dollar space economy, reshaping industries on Earth and beyond. What is asteroid mining? Asteroid mining refers to the extraction of valuable resources from near-Earth asteroids, NEAs, and main-belt asteroids orbiting the Sun. These celestial bodies are rich in materials that are rare, expensive, or environmentally destructive to mine on Earth. Key resources found in asteroids: precious metals, platinum, gold, palladium, iridium. Industrial metals, iron, nickel, cobalt. Water, used for drinking, oxygen, and rocket fuel, hydrogen. Rare earth elements, critical for electronics and clean energy technologies. A single metal-rich asteroid could contain more platinum than has ever been mined on Earth, making the economic potential staggering. Why asteroid mining matters for the global economy. 1. Unlocking a new resource frontier. Earth's resources are finite, expensive to extract, and increasingly regulated. Asteroids offer an almost unlimited supply of raw materials without deforestation, pollution, or geopolitical conflict over land. 2. Powering space infrastructure. Water from asteroids can be converted into rocket fuel, enabling space refueling stations. This drastically reduces the cost of deep space missions and supports permanent bases on the Moon and Mars. 3. Redefining wealth creation. Asteroid mining could create entirely new markets: space manufacturing, orbital construction, off-Earth supply chains, forming the backbone of a self-sustaining space economy. The technology making it possible. Asteroid mining depends on several rapidly advancing technologies: artificial intelligence, autonomous navigation, drilling, and decision-making in space. Robotics, mining operations without human presence. Reusable rockets, lower launch costs, SpaceX, Blue Origin. 3D printing in space, manufacturing tools and structures from asteroid materials. Advanced propulsion systems, solar sails, ion engines. Together, these innovations are reducing costs and risks that once made asteroid mining impractical. Who is competing in the space mining race? Private companies. SpaceX and Blue Origin, launch infrastructure and deep space logistics. Astroforge and TransAstra, developing asteroid mining-specific technologies. National space agencies. NASA, missions to study asteroid composition and redirection. China and ESA, exploring space resource utilization strategies. The race is not just about profits, it's about economic leadership in space. Legal and ethical challenges. Who owns space resources? International space law, especially the Outer Space Treaty of 1967, prohibits nations from claiming celestial bodies. However, newer national laws, like those in the US and Luxembourg, allow companies to own resources they extract, raising legal debates. Ethical concerns. Space monopolies controlled by powerful nations or corporations. Environmental impact on space environments. Economic inequality between spacefaring and non-spacefaring countries. Establishing fair and transparent governance will be critical. The trillion-dollar space economy. Asteroid mining is only one pillar of the emerging space economy, which includes satellite networks, space tourism, orbital manufacturing, lunar and Martian colonies. Analysts predict the global space economy could exceed $1 trillion within the next few decades, with asteroid mining playing a central role. What the future holds. In the coming decades, we may see robotic mining missions operating independently, space-based factories using asteroid materials, reduced reliance on Earth's fragile ecosystems, a shift from planetary economics to interplanetary trade. Asteroid mining may ultimately redefine humanity's relationship with resources, scarcity, and expansion beyond Earth. Conclusion: mining the stars, shaping humanity's future. Asteroid mining is more than a technological challenge, it is an economic revolution waiting to unfold. As humanity reaches beyond Earth for resources, the foundations of a trillion-dollar space economy are being laid among the stars. Those who master this frontier will not only shape future markets, but the future of civilization itself.